All right, DXY weekly chart. We're just gonna focus on this one because it doesn't look great, right, for the bears, at least for now. Short term, and by short term I mean maybe a couple of weeks to months because of this, right? It depends on where we close. We have 6 hours, but unfortunately it's not looking great, right? Double bounce off of the weekly 200. Not only that, it's a goddamn tweezer bottom, which is high odds of reversing and this being like a local low. High odds, right? Unfortunately. So we're back to resistance. I would love to hold, right? And here's our zone, right? And we've talked about it. This has the odds of breaking that, right? This is a power move on the weekly chart by the DXY, unfortunately. So if the DXY wants to, capitalize on this and break through this, we may have a little bit of a run here, right? And that's unfortunately the odds. Massive 200-week moving average, massive weekly tweezer bottom. I mean, it looks like it's going to continue up next week. If this prints like this, I mean, look how solid this candle is even, right? Right now, as of right now. We'll see if it can maybe get a chance to sell off and get an upper wick. But still, the tweezer bottom at 200-week support looks good for a local bottom and a move back to the upside for the coming weeks ahead, which would likely cool off crypto and maybe even the stock market, and maybe we'd even, get a little bit more of a downside, 5% in crypto, market wide on average. Wouldn't take us that bad, about around 28K, 29K, but I would think, right? Especially with just a scenario. So just a wake up call. DXY is looking like it's not ready to give up just yet.